Hi, my name is Sarai, and today I will be talking about what causes seizures. And do you ever wonder what causes seizures? Well, I do, and I will be talking about 3 main reasons why seizures are caused. I will be going over how seizures are triggered, like being born with it or having brain tumor or brain damage. Seizures can be caused by drugs or having head injuries or brain problems. Can also be a cause to why seizures can be triggered. Let's discuss the elevated levels of salt or sugar in your blood that can cause people to have seizures because of drugs. So according to a sister's plea, a guy named Courtney had been suffering from epileptic seizures at the age of 21, causing him to have blurry vision, head pains, which could cause him to be hospitalized many times of his seizures. Let's discuss being born with seizures or having any brain tumors or brain damage. A pathologist, a doctor, to find a big amount of consumptions of cannabis being taken from Courtney be a cause to having his seizures. When Courtney stopped taking cannabis, it helped. His health was way much more better, and when Courtney stopped taking cannabis, his health improved overall. Let's talk about head injuries and brain problems. Head injuries or brain problems. Emily's seizures were triggered because she had an abnormal tissue that had been formed in the right lobe of her brain. This caused the girl to have 20 seizures a day when she was just 6 years old. Emily had taken heavy doses of medication and had to be under intense care unit in the hospital because of her epilepsy was severe. This shows that people can be born with brain problems and later on lead to having seizures, which is later on to having epilepsy. Being born with seizures and growing up with them can cause a lot of people's lives to be difficult, struggling, and cause depression for people, because in most cases a lot of people don't understand what people go through and what seizures are and what's epilepsy, and they're just afraid to be afraid around people who have seizures. A lot of people who have seizures feel if that seizures are taking over their lives and feel threatened for their lives as well and their lifestyle. Epilepsy is another meaning for seizures, and as well, a girl named Emily Puffer had been born with a big, large mass in her brain and later on discovered she had epilepsy, which is seizures. Let's discuss being born with seizures and having brain tumor. I got some evidence from, according to a newspaper article by the Rewiring of the Brain. It says we'll be talking about 3 main reasons why seizures are triggered, like being born with it or having a brain tumor. Second reason, seizures caused by drugs, and also head injuries or having brain problems. In conclusion, that's all I will be talking about today. I chose to talk about this because it really comes to my interest to know about this and to inform others about this.